Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings. We are from Group 6, and here we will presenting our project entitled Internet of Things, Home Security Monitoring Robot. Hi, my name is Muhammad Tauf Arif and my friend Virgi Ferbian Hermawan. In this project, we will create an IoT design that aims to monitor security both indoors and outdoors by using a prototype car using the ESP8266 Node MCU as a microcontroller and Arduino Nano to send data into Blink.io so that all systems can run. Blink.io is used to the manufacture of controllers to device prototypes and output from ultrasonic sensor, as well as the Alfred camera platform to configure the IP camera so that it can display the display in front of the prototype car and use the Arduino IDE platform to write system code. And this is the platform that we used. First is Blink.io for the server, and two is Alfred camera for the camera provide, and Arduino IDE for the source code. And here we will explaining about component device. Here we using first we will using Node MCU ESP8266, breadboard, DC motors, battery holder, Arduino Nano, smartphone, L298N motor driver, LED, ultrasonic sensor, and also the battery. And this is our schematic system for the robot. As we said before, we using Node MCU, Arduino Nano, and the motor driver, and also the ultrasonic sensor. And this is the flowchart from our project. First, in the left side is the diagram flowchart for the Blink.io. First, after the Node MCU connected to Blink and built-in light in the Node MCU light up, the Arduino Nano will retrieve the serial Node MCU data, and if the Arduino Nano retrieve the serial Node MCU data, the microcontrollers are ready, and the apps will sending the trigger. And in the right side is the diagram flowchart for the IP camera. After the connecting to the Alfred camera, both of the controller and the IP camera, control smartphone will be showing the display of the IP camera. And this is the photo of our prototype design for the robot, as we seen. And for the source code, my friend Virgi Ferbian Hermawan will explaining. Please.
Well, thank you, Alpha, for explaining in outline and the tools, also schematic, which we use in this project this time. For the next here, I will explain about the source code, which is where the source code is the form of the Arduino IDE platform. And for the first coding, this is the form of coding in the ESP X266 system, which is used to drive servo motors, sensors, and others. The first is to do define, because there are several functions that must exist in order to be able to connect to the Blink application, such as Blink template ID, Blink device name, Blink firmware version, Blink print, Blink app debug. And don't forget to include the Blink Edge.h library so that microcontroller can send data directly into Blink. Then write the code for the drive button function that will appear in the Blink application as follow: Blink write v0 with the if integer condition repeating 1, it will go forward. If not, then stop. If not, then stop. And so on, including backwards, turn right, and left also depends on the wishes of the user who use to it. And next, okay, after making the trigger in the Blink application, the next step is to write a void setup which explain to the microcontroller which pins will be used as input or output. And because we want to display the sensor display, we use serial begin 9600. After all pins have been declared, then proceed to writing a void loop where we provide the coding of the ultrasonic sensor that we use and the coding for the servo motor so that it can be moved according to the name of the function that was previously made so that it's run properly. And next, and this is a coding of the Nano because we use the Arduino Nano 2. So for Nano coding is to adjust the LED light so that it can turn on when the function is present in Blink application. And can you see the code in the Arduino Nano in the picture below? Next. And this is I will explain about the output system. Next. Okay, the following as the scenes in the image above, it is an output from the Blink application via a smartphone that is used to drive the IoT vehicle prototype so that it can run according to the user wish. And not only as controller, in this application, it has been set so that it can display the result obtained by the sensor in order to know the distance behind the vehicle prototype so that when it backs up, it doesn't hit a wall or other. Next. And the following is the output of the IP camera from the cell phone that are no longer used or are not used in daily life, but not only using cell phone. If there is a CCTV camera that can also be used. The only difference is the image resolution obtained by the device. The cameras and the function of this camera is to see the situation in front of the vehicle prototype so that it can walk carefully even though the user is moving from a long distance. Next. And the picture above is a display of the web Blink, which display the result of the distance obtained by ultrasonic sensor on the back of the prototype car. Next, and that's it. The output system in our project. And for the conclusion and suggestion, is in the project at this time is that in making a car prototype for the use of home security, it can be implemented properly using ESP X266 microcontroller with the help of Arduino Nano, so that everything can function optimally both in the perform of IP cameras, ultrasonic sensor, and DC motor. Drive this prototype and sending data into the Blink platform and the Alfred camera platform can also be viewed properly by the user to determine the output obtained by the camera and ultrasonic sensor. Next, and for the suggestion is from us as the waiter and as well as making this prototype. The system has the potential to get a lot development, especially the development of additional components. So it would be better if the system was added the voltage capacity itself to support the electrical supply of this component so that they can develop even further. And that's all from our project. Uh,
Thank you so much, Virgi, for the explanation. And we are also for you to who watching this presentation. We are very apologize to any uh, minus or not perfect side from this presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.